Welcome to another video on my channel. Yeah, I know I was not present for a while. That's because I was not doing fine some weeks before, but now I have recovered and I must apologize for being away, yeah, for a while. But now, as I said, I'm back, and as you can see on my bed, oh, what a mess! You must be thinking, what mess is on her bed? Well, we are about to travel, go on a holiday, visit our JWR Jehovah's Witness branch office, and we are packing according to the law. So on my bed you can see I have few plastic bags. I have my few jewelry. I have also my deodorant. I have a small bag. I have one pair of shoes. I have my wig and yeah, my sleeping cap. I have also a wig cap, and I have another bag, and that's where my shoes is going to go into. Then my outfit, because when you are visiting the branch you have to dress nice and neat. So here I have my fascinator. That does not belong to it. I have my skirt, my Victorian skirt, and then my mesh stocking and my body blouse and my tie. And here everything that you see here on the bed must fit into this rucksack. Yes, and I will make it possible to fit inside of it because we got a very cheap ticket, and we got it because we will not put on any luggage on the plane, but we will have hand luggage. So we have to get everything that's necessary in our hand luggage. And when we arrive at our destination, then we will buy all the toiletries that we need: toothbrush, toothpaste, yeah, all what is necessary at that place. So for now I am just going to show you how I will pack my things. I know there are thousands of videos on YouTube that shows people how they pack their things, but one thing I've learned from my grandma is rolling, 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 rolling. Yeah, so I am going to start rolling my things and put them into my bag, and you can watch me as I do so. Okay, yeah, so now I am going to put my shoes first in the bag. So where did I put that bag? Here. So that's the bag, and that's my rucksack. I'm going to put my shoes in here. And there's a string on it, just pull it close, and I'm going to put it flat inside the rucksack. And then my undies, here my bra. I'm putting all together. I hope you can see it properly. So another undies, a little socks, stocking socks, like you're supposed to know them. I love these things. I'm gonna put them together. I'm gonna put my stocking also here together. Anything else left? Oh yeah, my hair and mesh or net. Let me see, what's that? Oh, then there's a little body blouse here I also have. I'm going to put it also here. And what is this? Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to roll all of this together like this. And then just put this elastic part over here, and they are all set in place, and that comes into my bag as well. Then when we are there and it's supposed to get cold, I'm wearing, like, I'm carrying a long sleeve with me. This is a very sleazy elastic thing. I'm also putting it together. Also another one that, you know, if I should mess up myself, stain up my blouse, I also put them all together. Yeah, so you see I have like 3 different blouses, or yeah, 4 blouses I'm taking along with me. One for underneath, one of these for underneath, either the black one, the red one, or the white one, I will see, for when we're going out in the evening. I'm putting them together as well. Put the arms here, here, and then I am just going to roll them together like this, and then take the last blouse and just fold over everything in place, and there, flatten out, and then in my bag over the shoes. Then this is what I'm going to wear for the nighttime. Yeah, I wonder where's that blouse now. Oh, here. Then a blouse, a night blouse. I'm going to put them also together. Just here I have a socks to keep my feet warm. I'm rolling them. Wait, sorry, other direction. Roll, 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 roll. And then we take the part of the leggings and just pull it all over like that. I think you have seen this also on YouTube. It works. Yeah. Then my jewelries, I'm only carrying 2 pairs of earrings because I guess where we're going we will have jewels, maybe cheap one, and just also lip gloss. Now to my wig. I am going to put the wig into one of these plastic bags with the wig cap. So I'm going to stretch the wig cap over my wig to keep it in place. Then into my bag like this. Zip it back together. Oh, wait a minute. I could also put the fascinator inside. Yeah, like this. So it won't squeeze. Zip it back together. Press out the air. Ooh. And into my bag. Then in my little handbag which I'm taking, I am going to put my earrings inside there. So here, one earring, another earring. Oh, where is the other one? Oh, it's all in. And my lip balsam and my deo. The deo I'm going to put in this little plastic bag. Roll it together. You can clip down these ones as well. Put it into this bag. And this bag is going into this bag. Yes. And for my outfit, my pants, for a evening outing, I'm going to roll it, put it like this, and just roll it and stuff it in the corner of the bag. This bag have a lot of space in it. My beret, I'm carrying my beret as well. Yeah, I'm wearing my beret there. Put it also in the little bag. Even outside, I even have more space. Look at that. So I put the beret even in this part here. It doesn't disturb anybody. And zip up my bag. Now to my last outfit. My skirt, my body blouse. Uh-oh. So I'm going to turn this skirt on the other side. You never know what can happen, so to protect it. Putting it on the other side, and I am going to put the body blouse also along with it. At least at the hotel, one can iron their clothes, so we don't need to worry about that. Then my tie, I forgot what they call this, but maybe you all know what it's called. I forgot the name. I'm going to put them all together here, and now I'm going to roll the skirt from the bottom, come up, yeah, with everything in it. And like always, use the waist of the skirt and put it all over the rest of it, and we are done. Then I will have another small bag. I'll take an extra plastic bag. You never know what you will need it for. I will take another small bag with me in my hand where I can put my passports and other documents inside. So this is it. Well done, unpacked, and with a rucksack it's way easier, especially if you have to change flight, and sometimes the airport are not always closed, and sometimes you have to find your gate and you have a long distance to walk. It's better with a rucksack. So I will show you my outfit for the day when I'm going. I just take out a little pullover with a high neck stripe and the black pants. And the black pants I can wear even when I'm there with another color blouse. And I'll be wearing a sport shoes. It's more comfortable. And I'm taking a beanie with me or a thumb, so that if it gets cold, you know, I can cover my head. I hope you like this video, and if you do like it, give a thumbs up. And if any other tips you have, please share it with me, and also subscribe if you feel like, and look out for my next video. Bye bye.